Hey guys, this is Mithun Jain and welcome to MidFit. So this is the second part of the ab workout series. The first part was about the rectus abdominis, how you can train the front part of the abdominal muscles, and this part I'll be showing you how you can train your obliques, the side muscles or the side part of the abdominal muscles, the love handles as we all commonly know. So I'll be showing you how you can train your obliques. So let's get started. The first one is twisting partial crunches. So you need to rotate while coming up and reach out onto the opposite side. Rotate as much as you can. This works both internal and external obliques. After this becomes easy, you can do full twisting crunches. Ask someone to stand on your foot or anchor yourself under a sofa or any other object. Bring your elbows towards the opposite knee and twist as much as you can. This exercise alone works not only your internal and external obliques but also your rectus abdominis, the front part of the abdominal muscles. So this is one of the important exercise in your ab workout routine. Next, come into a push-up plank position and bring your knees towards your elbow. So right knee will touch your left elbow and left knee will touch your right elbow. Overall, a great exercise for your core and obliques. Next is the classic planks. This works your overall core and obliques and transversus abdominis, that is TVA, which helps in the stabilization of spine. Next is Spiderman planks. Bringing your knees towards your shoulders, working your external obliques. You need to get your classic planks first right and then perform this exercise. Then is your side planks, working on your obliques. Keep your core engaged and do not drop your hips. Breathe normally. Do it on both the sides. Next is push-ups with knees to elbows. This is a really good exercise working your chest, shoulders and triceps along with your entire core and external obliques. Next is bicycle crunches. So here you need to twist and bring your right elbow towards your left knee and vice versa. Next is reverse trunk twist. Keeping your knees and hips flexed at 90 degree. Keeping the upper body steady, rotate the lower body sideways under control to the floor as much as possible. Using your oblique strength, rotate lower body back to starting point. To make it more difficult, you can straighten out your legs and then perform this exercise. If you find difficult to keep your balance, you can hold on to some object behind you or anchor yourself. Inhale while going down and exhale when bringing legs up. Next is Russian twist. Imagine yourself being in a V-shaped position. This is an easier version where I have kept my legs down. To make it more challenging, lift your legs up and then twist. You can also hold on to some weights in your hands so they will provide some extra resistance. Next is side oblique crunch. So bend your hips and knees till 90 degree and then perform a crunch sideways. This will work your external obliques. Breathe out when you come up and breathe in when you are going down. Do it on both the sides. So whenever you bend sideways, you work your external obliques, commonly known as love handles. Another one for your external obliques is lateral dorsiflexion with dumbbells, that is side bends with dumbbells. Make sure you're using dumbbells only on one hand at a time. Carrying dumbbells on both hands and doing this exercise becomes useless as there will be no resistance provided. Bend sideways as much as you can, and this works best when you are in a seated position as your hips are flexed and your obliques has to do all the work. So these were the exercises that you can do for your obliques, and some of them even train your entire abdominal muscles. So in summary, whenever you twist or whenever you bend sideways, you mainly train your obliques, and when you bring your chest to your legs or when you bring your leg muscles to your chest, you train the front part of the abdominal muscles. Also keep in mind, if you want to see visible abs, you need to keep a check on your diet. You need to eat right, have a lower body fat percentage. Also, there are some other home workout tutorial videos that you can check out on my channel, and also if you have not subscribed yet, so please do subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions regarding ab workout training, you can put down your questions below the comment box, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.